Pause.
There's the one right there. Let's see. I got a good picture. And what are they called?
Macaws.
Those are macaw.
Green-winged macaw.
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 Green-winged
Green-winged macaw.
macaw, yeah.
Okay. So we're over here, Rastacomics. Don't say that we never show you to the bird world. And I'll do it one more time. See it, press and see. Yeah. Ready? And as we continue our trip, something must be over here this side. Hey, little girl. Huh?
The big ones over there.
Okay. So now we're walking through the rainforest. You know what I mean? You see what's good? Where else next to? The live plants? Let's see it, let's see. And it's live. I'm hearing weird sounds. Okay. Now we're walking to go see. Do we check out the macaw already? Are we check out the green wing already?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a closer look at the green wings, guys. Look at these guys. Hey, green wing. Green wing, green wing. Green wing. Look at them, look at them. They're cleaning each other up. That's what we call green wing parrots, yo. Alright, we're gonna continue on our little journey. Rastacomics, we're doing it big. We're going. Now we're looking at these beautiful flowers. We don't know what type of carnation they are, but we know they're cool. We know they're exciting. There's a guy here that's going through. What's he doing? He just walked in. Uh-oh, who's this one? What's this one called?
This one is...
Let's check them both out.
Gold, yeah. This one.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is the gold macaw.
This one is a gold macaw. Macaw, macaw! Macaw, macaw! Macaw, macaw! I'm not saying nothing. No, nothing. I was trying to talk with him, yo. Macaw, macaw, macaw! What's up with here?
Look at that one's talking.
Oh, he's talking. Let's go check him out, yo. Then we're gonna go check out the talking parrot. Wow, he's singing and dancing and everything. Oh, I missed it. Uh-oh. He's putting it all up.
잘했어.
We're gonna continue on. That's the smartest one here. Let's continue our journey. And so, these people that weren't going too far over there, guys, so we decided to leave them. She was dancing with the parrot. Mm-hmm. What is one there? What's that one?
I don't know.
So a little small green and pink.
And light.
No, that's purple. I don't know. And then we'll find it, let them throw it out. Oh, look at this one right here.
Yeah. This one is
What's up, buddy?
Casey.
Casey?
Casey. His name's Casey.
Casey. Come on, Casey. Hey, Casey. 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 Casey ain't paying attention. That's it. He's just having way too much. Oh, let's go over there to the other big guy. We're gonna go over there. Casey was kind of boring. He didn't put in no effort to say hi to humans. We're gonna have to go out. Oh, he did some real shit over there. Look at him. You see him just he's back to the show. He loves attention, eh? Wow, he's rolling heavy. Okay. All right. You know we love attention, that one. Let's continue on our journey. Huh? Mm-hmm. These are some other guys. These ones are chained up. They're not allowed to be free. What are you, a red nose?
Oh, over here, this side.
Yeah, I'm coming up. I gotta see these small guys first. Look at these little guys. They're eating, they're having fun. They're having fun. Bagag! Go over here. Hey there, little, what are these ones called? Something shit fire? I thought something took a shit on their head for a minute there. Oh, look at this.
He is...
You're boring, eh? You're old, you're tired.
No, that's Rudy.
Rudy! Hey, Rudy!
Congo African
Bark.
Grey Parrot.
Bark!
Hi, Rudy. And that one's Gidget.
Huh?
Gidget.
Midget?
Gidget.
Gidget.
Citron-crested cockatoo.
Cockatoo. Woo! Woo! Alright, we got him. Can't whistle. Can you whistle? Okay, that's enough. Alright, we're gonna continue on our beautiful journey. I don't know what that one is. We got Rudy.
Wow.
Continue. So what else is there? Budgies. It's green. I know. I got it.
That's Nelson.
What's this one called?
That's Nelson. He's a red-shouldered macaw.
Red coat. Oh, it's shit fire.
No, it's water.
Oh, I thought it was shit fire.
Oh, up there.
Where? The white one?
There.
Oh, I thought we saw him already.
No, that's a bigger one.
Look at him, man. Just chilling. 7 minutes gone by.
Look at that one over there. That one with a long tail. That black one. See how long his tail is?
He's
Jump
gone.
down.
I tried to get him, but I couldn't get him. Oh, he's gone. He's shy. He's gone. Yeah, he's shy. Flew off. Okay, look at this one up here.
Oh, budgies. They're so noisy. There's ones big ducks.
Okay, we're done.
Those are like these little ones. See, for our cage. They're like these little finches or something, eh?
Oh, okay, for the cage.
Or the cage is for like them parrots. That's